Right here I have the perfect bar stools that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing the mid-century modern style bar stools that you see right here. Now these are amazing because they have a really soft beige linen material on here, and guys, this is super skin friendly and it's actually really breathable as well. As I turn this bar stool to the side, you can see I'm sliding it on the hardwood floor. I have no problem doing so because this actually has an anti-scratch design on the bottom of the legs, which is really nice. Pulling in and out, very smooth, and I do love that. Now let's take a look at this design. This does have a really nice L shape, and it's gonna be very ergonomic and comfortable sitting in the chair. A nice curve along the backrest, and with the high density foam in there, it's gonna be really padded and very comfortable. Now, when it came to assembly, this was very easy. The directions were super easy to follow. The pictures were nice and easy to read, so I had no problems there. These hold up to 300 pounds per chair, so that's gonna accompany a bunch of different shapes and body types, and it's gonna have a wide seat as well, which is also going to help with that. Now, when you look at the legs, this is gonna have a walnut wood style leg, and these legs are gonna be a FSC certified rubber wood material that's going to be nice and sturdy, very comfortable for the feet as well, because as you can see here, I have my feet on this footrest and it doesn't feel like it's cutting into my foot at all. Feels really comfortable. It's also at a great height. Now, if you guys are wondering, these are going to be a 26-inch size bar stool, so that's going to be from the floor to the seat, and my kitchen island is about 35 inches tall, so this pairs perfectly with this bar stool chair. And usually with a 26-inch bar stool, you're going to range from a 35 to a 39-inch countertop or bar top. Maybe you have a little bar table down in your basement. These are going to pair perfectly with that. Now you can also get these in a 30-inch bar stool height, so depending on your preference and your style of where you're going to put this, you can definitely get the right one for your room. Now if you're a restaurant, a coffee shop, you can also get these too, because it's going to be very durable and a nice aesthetic, and people are going to be really comfortable on these chairs. Now overall, I just love the look, and taking a look at the back of this chair looks really nice. Very easy to put the bolts in here, get everything nice and tight, but the finish is great with the brown walnut and the beige material. It just complements each other so well. I absolutely love these bar stools, and I love the way they look in my room. Make sure you check out the other ones for yourself. You can get these in a 2, 4, a 6, and an 8 pack as well, and along with another option of seat height. Make sure you add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.